Hey everyone, welcome back to our Streamladder YouTube channel. Today we're diving into an amazing tool that's going to level up your Twitch streams and really bring your chat to life. Animated emotes. We're going to be looking at the animated emote creator on Streamladder, which lets you create custom emotes from your very own Twitch clips. If you're a streamer or someone who loves engaging with your community, this is definitely something you don't want to miss. Let's jump right in and explore how you can use this tool to create animated emotes for Twitch, 7TV, BTTV, and more. Why animated emotes? First off, why are animated emotes such a big deal? Well, they're a great way to add personality and life to your Twitch streams. Static emotes are fun, but with animated ones, you can capture those epic or funny moments from your streams and turn them into something your viewers can use in real-time chat. This makes your channel more engaging and keeps your community very hyped. Now let's talk about Streamladder's animated emote creator. This tool is incredibly simple to use, even if you don't have much experience with video editing. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, so whether you're new to streaming or a seasoned pro, you'll be able to create top-tier emotes in no time. Let's walk through how to use it step by step. Step 1. Uploading your clip. When you head over to the website, you'll see that the first thing you need to do is upload a clip. You'll have two options here. Upload from your computer, which is great if you've already downloaded the clip from Twitch, or paste the Twitch clip URL directly into the tool. This is the faster option and super convenient if you already know which clip you want to animate. Once your clip is uploaded or pasted, you'll see it appear on the left side of the screen. This is where you can view the entire clip from start to finish. Step 2. Editing your emote. Next up, we've got the editing process. On the right side of the screen, there's an editing bar where you can fine-tune your emote. Here's where the real fun begins. You can scroll through the clip and decide which part you want to use as your emote. Maybe it's a hilarious reaction, a clutch play, or even a facepalm moment. Whatever you think will make the best animated emote for your chat. The editing bar gives you all the tools you need to cut down the clip to just the perfect moment. You can adjust the timing, the speed, and even zoom in on the best part to make sure it looks exactly how you want. And the cool part, you can preview the emote live on the right side, so you can see how it's going to turn out before you finalize anything. Step 3. Preview in light or dark mode. Before moving on, there's another neat feature I want to highlight. You can preview how your emote will look in both light mode and dark mode. This is a big deal because different users might use different themes on Twitch, 7TV, or BTTV. The preview at the bottom of the screen shows your emote in action in both light and dark modes, so you can be sure it looks good for all of your viewers, no matter which theme they prefer. This extra attention to detail really makes sure your emote stands out. Step 4. Export or download. Once you've got the emote just the way you like it, you have a couple of options for what to do next. You can download the emote directly to your computer. This is perfect if you want to upload it manually to Twitch or save it for future use. Export it straight to Twitch, 7TV, or BTTV. This is a super streamlined option if you want to get your emote out there as quickly as possible. Just choose the platform and Streamladder takes care of the rest. This makes the process so much easier than having to create your emote in another tool, download it, and then manually upload it to these platforms. Here, everything is in one place, saving you time and effort. Why use Streamladder's emote creator? Now you might be wondering, why use this tool over other emote creation tools? Well, Streamladder has really nailed the balance between simplicity and functionality. You don't need to be a video editing expert to make a high-quality animated emote that will really pop in your chat. Plus, the ability to instantly export to major platforms like Twitch, 7TV, and BTTV is a huge bonus. You can go from clip to emote in just a few clicks. For streamers, this is a game changer. You can quickly turn your memorable stream moments into emotes without spending hours in complicated editing software. And for your community, these emotes make interacting in chat so much more fun. Whether it's cheering you on, celebrating a win, or just joining in on a meme, these emotes let your viewers get more involved. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks to level up your stream. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!